Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change Instagram Reels feed. Want to see more relevant Reels on Instagram? In this video, I'll show you how to change your Instagram Reels feed so you can get content you actually enjoy. Just follow these few simple steps and we'll be able to do this task in no time. The first step is to interact with Reels you like. Watch more of the type of Reels you enjoy. Like and comment and share reels similar to your interests. For example, I like cars, so I'm just gonna share and like reels that has cars. Example, uh, and Instagram's algorithm will start showing more of what you engage with. This here, as you can see, it it shows me reels of cars. The second step is to hide reels you don't like. If a reel is irrelevant, tap on the three dot menu on the video. For example, this one. This is an ad, so we're not gonna do it. As you can see, all the reels are related to cars. For example, if you're not interested in cars, just click on not interested by clicking here, and you can choose why you're not interested. And the third step is to clear your watch history. And to do that, just go to your settings and then access your activities and then click on interactions, then choose reels and remove any watched reels to reset recommendations. As for the fourth step is to follow creators you enjoy. Instagram suggests reels based on the creators you follow. Follow accounts that match your interests for a better feed. And the fifth step is to reset your Explore and Reels feed. If you want to complete reset, go to settings, then your activity, then recent search and clear history. And Instagram will refresh your feed with new suggestions. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to change your Instagram Reels feed. Follow these steps to see more of what you love and improve your Instagram experience. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.